Well, Riley's just took himself a fish on a floater, and feel like a good one, mate?
Yes, right.
Yeah, good. Well, today we're down at Chestnut Pool Fisheries in Biggleswade in Bedfordshire, and it's one of our many fishery roadshows. This is young Jessica. You alright, Jess? And she's just hooked herself a carp on a floater rod. And you know, this is what it's all about. You know, we've seen lots of families, lots of dads and lads come down today to meet the team at Nash, and we're doing everything we can to show them, you know, the ways of carp fishing. Everything from basic casting to tying your first rig to making some special hook baits. Of course, a bit of floater fishing, you know, a real good spread of what we do in carp fishing. And we've seen people from all walks of life and of all different abilities. There's plenty more dates up and coming. We've even got some date. Is it a big one? Yeah. You're doing brilliantly, you're all right. We've got plenty of dates in Europe as well, so I suggest you check out the website, keep an eye on Facebook for the nearest fishery roadshow to you. It'd be lovely to see you. I'm sure if you come down, we can do something to help you out and catch more fish next year. See you later, guys. Go on, Jess. Should we just tighten this clutch a little bit? I think it's a big one. I think it's a big one. Yeah, good girl.
In he goes. Happy fish.
Thank you very much.
Nice.
Good skills.
Professional in the making here. Awesome, biggest of the day.
Like you say, the weather's still good. Yeah. Right, get cold nights. But very warm days.
Tell the camera how much you love Nash Fishery Roadshows.